DNA is found in every living cell of the body, and it contains the genetic code telling your cells what proteins to make. Proteins are the building blocks of life. These large, complex molecules work to create and regulate body tissues and organs. Proteins are an essential part of all living organisms. To understand how mRNA technology works, you must first understand your immune system and how it mounts a defense to bacteria, virus, or proteins that don't belong. Meet the lymphocytes. The lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell. These cells mount your immune defense when exposed to a virus or other foreign body they perceive out of place. Let's look at each. B cells get their name from the place where they develop, the bone marrow. Many B cells mature into cells that produce protein antibodies to fight off infections, while others mature into memory cells. The memory cells remember the stimulus or virus that led to their formation. T cells get their name from where they developed, the thymus gland. The T cell regulators act as a police and a warning system. They police and regulate and make sure the immune system doesn't get out of hand. T cells tailor your body's immune response to specific pathogens. They are like soldiers who search out and destroy the invaders. CD8 cytotoxic T cells have the ability to kill other cells. Killer cells secrete toxins that attack cells infected with a virus, foreign protein, or bacteria. These natural killer T cells target specific antigens but spare the uninfected cells. Now let's look at the natural response of a healthy immune system to a foreign body. When a new virus attacks, your immune system mounts a defense. It may take some time for your immune system to recognize the intruder. In the meantime, cells are being invaded at too fast a rate and the body's defenses can't keep up with the necessary antibody production to protect you from the disease. RNA helps convert information contained in a cell DNA into functional gene products like proteins. Just as DNA is present, RNA is also present in all living cells. All the RNA in your cells are copies of DNA sequences in the genes of your chromosomes. Your RNA is a transcriber of sorts. In other words, your genes are copied or transcribed into instructions for making proteins. RNA carries the genetic information and instructions from the DNA needed to make proteins. RNA molecules carry information from your DNA in the nucleus of the cell to the cytoplasm where proteins are made. mRNA vaccines, the new kids on the block, are a type of vaccine developed over the last 2 decades with a mission to protect against infectious diseases by triggering an immune response. mRNA vaccines teach our cells how to make a specific protein, or even just a piece of that protein, producing the necessary antibodies to protect us from a disease. The coronavirus RNA spike proteins latch onto our cells, particularly the cells of the respiratory system. The virus RNA translates its blueprint into proteins that make up new virus particles. The greasy viral envelope merges with our cell membranes. Once locked into a cell, its oily envelope fuses with the cell membrane and dumps its genetic material into our healthy cells. The virus then drafts our own cell proteins and reassigns them to the task of making millions of copies of the virus. Once researchers isolated the virus RNA spike protein, they used its blueprint and created messenger RNA for a spike protein recipe of sorts. The messenger RNA delivers the spike protein recipe with instructions to build the spike, not the virus, only the spikes. Your immune system using the RNA spike learns to build the spikes in large volumes. You don't get sick because your cells are building only the spikes, not the virus. Your immune system has learned to attack the coronavirus and is now equipped to make antibodies to the blueprinted spike copies and then destroy them. When exposed to the virus now, your immune system is ready with the antibodies to destroy the spikes. The vaccine breaks down the spikes and even mRNA recipe itself. All that remains are your memory cells. The next time you're exposed to the virus, your immune system will remember the virus and is ready to destroy it. Vaccines help the body mount a better and faster defense. All medications, and particularly new medications, have risks. You need to weigh the risk alongside the benefits. The coronavirus is a deadly virus, often leaving patients with months to recover and long-term medical conditions. Check the resources section for more information.